49 people have just died in South Africa's floods. This is dire. Floods in South Africa have killed at least 49 people. A school bus swept away 8 children and 2 adults in the Eastern Cape, and hundreds more are stranded. Riots erupt again in Ballymena, Northern Ireland. Stones throwing mobs injured 17 officers in 2 nights of sectarian unrest. 5 arrests were made. Global child labor fell by over 20 million since 2020, but in the Sub-Saharan Africa it rose to 87 million. Experts warn education and social support are still too weak. That's your world in 60 seconds. Follow Paperboy for more.